Hey everyone, it's Andrew with ShelfAware, and in this tutorial video we're going to go over how to create a system generated order for suppliers on the ShelfAware platform. So as you can see, I am logged in as a demo supplier, John Doe, and I've went ahead and brought up a customer item screen. This is for Demo Manufacturing Inc., one of our customers in this scenario. And the customer item screen is a great place to kind of see a summary of what your order is going to be for the week or for the month or for the day. So we're seeing current on-hand real-time information at our consumer's location, and it's showing us that right here the one that jumps out to me is this red box. It's already stocked out. So they're supposed to try and keep 50 of this safety glasses on the shelf. We deliver them in increments of 10, and they got 0 on hand. We're down 1 on solvents, we're down 50 on threaded rods, we're down a couple, 1 on the lube, we own some adhesive. So anyway, you get a good summary of your consumer's current status, and you can kind of get an idea what your order is going to look like just from this customer item screen. So if we want to generate a system order, we're going to hop over into Inventory Band and go to the Order screen. Oh, and one last thing. When we generate that system order, you're going to notice that there's already some open quantities. So somebody's manually created or auto-generated other orders for some of these items, and so there's open quantities on some items, like this dish soap here. They want to keep 3 on the shelf. They currently have 1 on hand, and there's already an open order for 1. So when we generate a system order, ShelfAware will account for the open orders, and that 1, which is already pending, will now be added to our auto-generate order. So when we're looking at the generated order, keep an eye out for dish soap. It should just call for an additional 1 quantity of dish soap to bring the shelf to 3. So we got 1 pending. We're going to create another pending for a total of 3 on hand when they get delivered. Okay, so we'll head over to order. And we're going to generate a brand new order, so no need to bring anything up in the search grid here. We're just going to go down to the bottom to the action buttons and click Generate Order. Select the customer that we'd like to generate the order for, in this case Demo Manufacturing Inc. Location, you could have a customer with multiple locations, so we'll have to specify which location. In the demo, I only have 1 location set up. And then a date, expected ship date. It's probably going to take us a little while to get this big old order together, so we're going to try and ship it tomorrow, and it's late in the day today. So then we're going to click Generate Order. Boom. Just like that, system says order 537 created. So you can hit search and it'll bring back every order you've ever created, or we can just look at 537. So we'll punch in 537 and order number and hit search. There you go. There's the order that we just created, and there's not a lot to see on the order screen. It's just going to be real basic order information. So I kind of see this as order header information. But the one thing to note is the status is open. That means we've just generated this order. It's currently just in a flexible position inside the system. We can make changes to it. We can add, we can remove lines. It's no big deal. Obviously, we have to go into our ERP system and create an order that mimics this order. So when we get into our ERP system, we might find out that we don't have enough on hand to deliver on a certain item. So we want to make some adjustments to this order. As long as order number 537 is in open status, we can make as many adjustments, add, subtract as we would like. And to do all of that, to manipulate the order, we're going to go into the order item screen. Again, we're going to go to the search criteria because we just want to focus on the single order we generated. We're going to type in 537. You can hit enter or search, and it returns all the order items for order number 537. So the auto-generated order, it went out and it looked at our current customer's shelf and on-hand quantities and calculated the difference between the two and returned an auto-generated order. So we were supposed to look at dish soap here. It should just have 1, and there it is, 1 unit of dish soap because there was already 1 pending. So there it is. It's asking us to ship an additional unit of soap. That'll bring them up to the 3 that they required for their shelf. So after you glance at this order and verify that everything looks okay, you can do a couple different things from here that you might want to do. Maybe you want to download this order, so we could go up here to the search criteria and hit download. And what it did was it downloaded, brought it off screen here. Let me bring it up. Bring it up to you into the screen capture. it downloaded an Excel or CSV file, and so you could use this to import your order into your ERP, or you can create a custom ERP order download or integration for you. You just have to contact ShelfAware and request that. But this is just kind of a generic CSV file that we pulled down that's auto plugged into the download button, and it does give you some nice details, and of course it's Excel, so you can manipulate it however you like, do whatever you want. So there's the download feature. Another thing we might want to do is print all of the tags on this order, or just print one tag. And so from order item, it's easiest if you want to print selected RFID tags. So you can select just a couple items. Maybe you wanted to just print the safety glass tags for whatever reason. You can just select those three by holding Control and clicking on the other safety glasses. Click Print Tags, and in a very similar fashion, it'll pull up another ShelfAware CSV file. So there's the CSV file for the three safety glass tags that we wanted to print. So there's your safety glasses, and it just returned those three tags. So this CSV file is run through our label generation software called Bartender, and Bartender's going to encode the RFID tags and print the readable labels for us. So there's the three tags. We'd run this through the Bartender system. If you want to print every item order or order item, then a more simple way to do it is go back to the order, bring up just the order header information, highlight the order, and click Print Tags, and you would print every tag on the order. So we'll go ahead and click Print Tags. I'll open up that Excel file real quick. We'll see that it's generated every line, for that order and assigned it a tag ID. Okay. Now we are going to finish processing this order that we've generated. So as you can see, again, we're in the order screen. We got 537 pulled up, and its status is open. Let's assume we've already printed all the tags. The order went to the warehouse. The guys have picked and shipped it. It's ready to go out the back door. We got confirmation of that. So we'll go down here to the action buttons. We're going to hit Confirm Order. Give it its ship date. Select the carrier. And then assume we have the correct tracking number, which I'm just going to make something up. Blah, blah, blah. Hit save. All right, successfully updated. So once the order goes into confirm status, it basically tells the consumer on the other end of the platform that the order is locked in and it is headed their direction. Now, it depends on how far away your customer is and what type of shipping you choose, but in most cases, you're going to have the order there within a day or two. The system will check on this tracking number for you and notify you when the order's been received in by the carrier confirmation. So once you get that notification, you'd fly back into the ShelfAware platform and just simply mark order as delivered. Boom, it's delivered. So that brought everything that was on that order into stock at the consumer's location. And that wraps up the order auto generation tutorial. Yeah, I will have another video here shortly that'll go into some further detail about modifying open orders. So when it's a status open order, we can add, remove tags, we can edit quantities, we could delete some items, add some items manually, and I'll go over that in another video. For now, though, I think that's enough. Check out some other videos on our YouTube channel. We have all the tutorial videos pulled off into playlists for suppliers and consumers. And if you think of anything you'd like to add, obviously just shoot me an email, contact@shelfawarebmi.com, and I'd be happy to produce some more content for you. All right, thanks everybody. See you next time.